Huh? Huh?
Dear Slappy Hand Man, I'm looking forward to your arrival tomorrow. I hope you'll bring me lots of slappy hands.
What are you doing, Will?
This is the time of day to write to the Slappy Hand Man. The Slappy Hand Man flies through the air with his boxes of slappy hands.
You must be crazy. When are you gonna stop believing in something that's not true?
When you stop believing in that fellow with the red suit and the white beard, it goes ho ho ho.
We're obviously separated by denominational differences.
Well, guess the Slappy Hand Man didn't come. I mean, I don't know if he didn't get my letter or something, but... Wait, you guys hear that? Well, thank you, Slappy Hand Man. Bye. Let's unbox this little thingy. Thank you, Slappy Hand Man. Can always count on you. Gotta check out the package. Woo! Haha. Hope this is Slappy Hands. Let's see if Slappy Hand lied to me. I'm so excited. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this! Slappy Hands! Whoa! Whoa! Now that I have the slappy hands, it's time to put them on the fan, so let's get it. I'm going to do some tests. My first test is going to be a picture of my face. A hot dog. And Indiana Jones' father. Because I wanted to. What are you gonna do about it? Huh? So now that I've gathered some data, it's time to run some scientific tests to see if it works. thank all you guys for watching my video. I hope the end result of these Slappy Hands was worth your time. I mean, what more can you want out of Slappy Hands on a fan, you know? But that's gonna be all from me today. Make sure to subscribe if you'd like, and I'll see you later.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful